Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Jamaican music producer and pioneer Robert "Bobby Digital" Dixon has died. Bobby Digital, who was one of the first music producers to experiment with the digital rhythms in the 1980s, died yesterday, reportedly from kidney-related illness. He was 59 years old. Bobby Digital production credits include Garnet Silk's "It's Growing", Don't Have to Dread by Morgan Heritage, Shabba Ranks' "Wicked in a Bed", Sizzla's "Black Woman and Child", and "Till I'm Laid to Rest" by Buju Banton. In the wake of his passing, Buju Banton expressed his thanks to Bobby Digital for his contribution to his music career. E-Prime expresses our condolences to the family and friends of Bobby Digital. Now, Dre Island releases Still Remain. Reggae artist Dre Island has released Still Remain, the first track from his upcoming debut album dubbed Now I Rise. The pulsating reggae track, which features lyrics about perseverance, hope, and reassurance, serves as a beacon of hope, assuring listeners that despite the challenges, Jah still remains. Now I Rise is scheduled for release on May 29. And it's an all-Jamaican affair at Yardfest. Now this Saturday, get your flags, wear your Jamaican colors, and get ready to celebrate our nation and our music at Frame Frequency Yardfest. Party to the biggest dancehall and reggae hits all night with the Captain Colin Hines, DJ Franco, DJ Tropical, DJ Roderick, with performances from Charlie Blacks, Junior Reid, Kamar Haikon, and The Angel. Visit RETV on Instagram to see how to register for the VIP Zoom area. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.